What's going down? Another smoke show on the road. We are here at the Switch in Dripping Springs. Got a burnouts and burn-ins breakfast day here. Breakfast tacos and kolaches. Got the ham and cheese. See what they're working with. All right, Bram. Really good flavor though. Also, they got the Bloody Marys rolling. They actually make the Bloody Mary mix in-house. It's called Barbecue Wife's. Right into the chorizo and egg breakfast taco. Got some nice color. Tortilla looks soft. Let's give it a run. Flavor. Eggs nice and little cheese in there. Salsa. It's approved. It's approved. I found about 3 of these for breakfast.